Have you ever wondered why two tower buds can smell so different? Aroma is not created by one step alone. It begins with genetics, then develops through growing conditions, drying, curing, and storage. What this means is that if any part of that process is rushed, the final scent can stay mild. Terpene spray may add a stronger surface scent when the package is opened, but it usually does not rebuild the full natural aroma profile. To put it simply, it can support perception, not replace preservation. And here's why that matters. Careful handling protects the volatile compounds that give buds their character. When those compounds are lost, even a good spray can only do so much. The most reliable approach is to preserve aroma first, then use support products carefully and in small amounts. That keeps the result more balanced, stable, and true to the plant. For a deeper look, learn more at Terps USA.